Hello, in today's lesson we are going to take a look at the analytics component of the WSO2 API manager. So just to give an overview of the gateway component, will publish events based on API invocations, and these events will be received by event receivers that reside on the analytics server. Then event analyzers on the analytics server will generate summarized data using predefined summarization logic against these events. And then in turn this summarized data will be retrieved by the API manager to populate various statistics graphs. So there are 5 main components that are involved in the analytics of the WSO2 API manager. And first of all, you have the usage publisher, which is responsible for publishing events to the analytics server. Then you've got event streams, which act as stores on the analytics server that actually persist the events that are received. Then we have summarization plans, which are actually Apache Spark scripts that have been pre-written that are responsible for summarizing the data that is actually stored in the event streams. Next, once this data is summarized, they are stored in Apache Spark tables, which can then this summarized data can be then served from these tables. And finally, the analytics server also provides the option of storing this summarized data in an external database table. So if we look at how this summarized data is actually accessed, there are 2 main methods of doing this, and the first method is a REST API, which is actually provided by the analytics server, which gives direct access to the data that is stored in the Apache Spark tables that reside on the analytics server. And as I mentioned earlier, we can also access this summarized data from the RDBMS tables to which this data has been written. So if you have to compare these 2 methods, when accessing data from the RDBMS tables gives an advantage such as being able to actually easily back up the data that is stored at table level, and also this makes upgrading between products easier, because summarization data that has been stored from previous product versions does not get lost when you upgrade to a newer version of the product. So this is the main advantage that you have with storing this summarized data at RDBMS level. So that concludes the look that we had today at the analytics side of the WSO2 API manager. Thank you.